Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share to you all about trading or Bitcoin. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
3 Bitcoin trending behaviors hint that BTC's rebound to 24K is a facade. BTC rate surge above a K recent cluster, but its market structure and technical analysis suggests the move is just another trap. Bitcoin BTC prices relied toward 24,200 on July 2028 after a near 10.5% surge that began a day earlier. The gain appeared after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled intention to slow down the field prevailing stagnating spear. This prompted some Bitcoin analysts to predict short-term upside continuation with best-down analysis. Crypto hamster SEG BTC 26,000 next, but BTC potential to recover entirely from its ongoing bears slumber uppers low for at least last 3K reason. Bitcoin bulls have been dubbed before. Bitcoin established its record high 69,000 in November 2022. Since then, the cryptocurrency has declined by more than 60%, while undergoing several mini pumps on its way down. On the daily chart, Bitcoin has rebounded at least five times since November 2021, securing 23% to 40% gained on Earth recovery. Nonetheless, it has continued its recorrection every time after forming a local bridge top around its exponential moving average EMA and then falling to New Year's lows. This time looks no different, with Bitcoin faking a bullish rejection in June and recovering nearly 17% a month later. Notably, BTC breaches Ethereum resistance in its 50-day EMA, the red wave at around 23,150, with a breakout clearing its way toward $27,000, coinciding with the 100-day EMA Black. At $27,000, the price would steer from lower high compared to the previous local tops, so that technically raises the possibility of
So thank you very much guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.